Hi, I'm Connor Green, team leader of the NoBS group here in downtown St. Pete, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of Art House, one of St. Pete's newest construction projects that is going on right here in the heart of downtown. In this video, you're going to get all of the prices, floor plans, square footage, amenities, style of the building, location, and much, much more. So make sure to stick around to the end so you don't miss any of the important details. Art House is another downtown project by Kolter, which also developed one in downtown St. Pete, as well as Saltaire, both of which we will have videos on, so feel free to check out those two if you're interested in them. Inspired by the rich art and spectacular waterfront that surrounds it, Art House is a bold new brushstroke on the canvas of St. Pete with a 42-story tower that is one of the few tallest, once it's finished, in downtown St. Pete, only after the 400 residences, where they're looking to incorporate the vibrant art scene in St. Pete within the building. Heading into the building, you can expect a beautiful 2-story grand lobby, which is going to be well appointed with artwork, as well as some resort style amenities that you can come to expect from Kolter builds, just like in the one building and just like in Saltaire, as well as some very thoughtful work from home amenities, which are obviously very relevant in today's world. Their art-filled lobby connects to what they call the Hub, which is going to be Art House's exclusive co-working space with a variety of collaborative, private, and semi-private seating and meeting areas, depending on what you're looking for and what your meeting calls for. On the 9th floor, you have Cloud 9. This Cloud 9 floor is separated in the outdoor amenities as well as your indoor amenities. On the outdoor side, you've got the pool terrace, which has an elevated Oasis pool deck with comfortable cabanas, spa, fire pit, lounge area, barbecue grills, and comfortable seating areas for relaxing in the sun and enjoying those views. You've also got the dog park and pet washing station, because it seems like everyone in St. Pete besides me has a pet. Now on the indoor side for this Cloud 9 level, you've got the Residence Club, which is very elegantly furnished. It's got a wide variety of seating areas, as well as a private dining room and game lounge. And that's also open to the pool terrace through multiple doors. It has a catering kitchen in there, a bar, a wine wall, cocktail terrace, and a theater room with plush seating for private viewings, as well as a game room with state-of-the-art swing gaming simulators. The fitness center is going to be quite big, with a yoga spin room, a private fitness room, and then an outdoor fitness terrace as well. You will also have a luxury steam room, sauna, and private treatment room. They will also have 2 furnished guest suites on this floor in case anyone has guests that want to stay in the building. Looking at the residences in Art House, you've got floor plans that range from 2 to 3 bedrooms, several with a den, covering about 1,380 square feet to 2,637, with a selection of 12 penthouses on the top 3 floors. The penthouse residences offer modern floor plans and range from 3,967 square feet to 4,847 square feet. Whether you're looking at a 2-bedroom, a 3-bedroom, or one of the penthouses, you're going to have those soaring 10-foot ceiling heights, with some of the penthouses having 11, spacious private terraces, and those floor-to-ceiling windows showcasing those panoramic views over Tampa Bay and St. Pete. Again, these residences also feature floor plans with the flexible den or work-from-home areas, as they were really trying to be thoughtful about this in building out this project. As with many of the new construction projects, you can expect quartz countertops, large format porcelain tile floors, and European style cabinetry. In total, there are 244 luxury condo residences, including the penthouses, with full height sliding glass doors going out to your terraces. Those 12 penthouses on the top 3 floors have those 11-foot ceilings in the main living areas. And regardless of what unit you choose, you do have different finished packages that I can help walk you through and that I can show you at the sales gallery. So looking at the floor plans here, you can see that north is going to be on the left side. So the waterfront is going to be the Bravo, Curator, Dolly, and Encore side of the building, while the Artisan, Harmony, Grand, and Fresco side is going to look towards the downtown skyline. If we look at the penthouse floor plans, the same thing. Your waterfront views are going to be penthouse B and C, while penthouse D and A are going to look back towards the downtown area, which will have a little bit of waterfront views, but not full front on. Now, location-wise, similar to the residences at 400, you have incredible walkability with a 91 walk score. You have instant access to all of the restaurants, bars, and things to do on Central Ave, as well as the waterfront there with Beach Drive and the St. Pete Pier. So whether you want to grab a bite to eat, you want to go grab a drink, you want to go do something fun, or you want to go get some exercise, there is so many things to do around there, including loads of live music and concerts and festivals too. And just in case you want to see exactly what is around Art House, I've put together a custom Google map for you. It's going to show you all of the best restaurants, bars, things to do, daily conveniences, outdoors, all of that good stuff right around Art House. Just check the link in the description. A few of my personal favorites include Cassis for their delicious brunch, Bacchus Wine Bistro, which serves small plates, charcuterie, and French eats, plus some truffles and a beautiful wine list. So if you're looking for some light bites for lunch, that's an awesome place to go to. And Bella Brava for a classic Italian dinner. I've never had a bad meal there. If Art House is starting to sound like the place for you, then the deposit structure goes as follows. It's 30% down total, with 10% at signing, 10% 90 days after, and 10% another 90 days after, so 180 days from signing. The rest of the 70% will be due at closing. And if you'd like to know what the current availability looks like for specific units, what the actual views look like from that unit, the floor plans, all of that good stuff, prices obviously, reach out to myself and my team and we will get all of that to you. If you've enjoyed this Art House tour with me and the high level on the floor plans, the layouts, the amenities, the location, all of the resources we put together and much more, please go ahead, smash that like button, drop a comment below, and let me know if you have any thoughts on the project. And if it seems like Art House or maybe another building in downtown St. Pete, Tampa, Clearwater, or Sarasota seems like the place that you might want to call home, reach out to myself and my team because we know all the buildings and we'd be honored and grateful to be your local guide. If you like this clip and want to watch another one, go ahead and click here. And if you want to make my day, smash that like button, drop a comment below, let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on the next video we drop.